29 июня 2013 год. Порт Гамильтон. Вот пришли парусники праздновать День Канады, который будет 1 июля. Но вчера вот они тут заходили, из пушек стреляли, делали маневры по нашему заливу. А вот здесь морячки драят, понимаешь ли, эти гарбидж-бины. Вот настоящие моряки. Этот норвежец. А там, понимаешь ли, на реях паруса поднимают. Но какие-то хреноватенькие морячки, но ничего, получается.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line. I find it very, very easy to be I find myself alone when each day's through. Yes, I'll admit that I'm a fool for you, because you're mine. I walk the line. As sure as night is dark and day is light, I keep you on my mind both day and night. And happiness I've known proves that it's right, because you're mine. I walk the line. You've got a way to keep me on your side. You give me cause for love that I can't hide. For you I know I'd even try to turn the tide, because you're mine. I walk the line. I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds, because you're mine. I walk the line.
Every time I get my gun ready to be dead.
Marines, prepare to repel boarders! Marines, on guard! Ah! As you are. Marines, prepare to repel boarders! On guard! Ah! Advance, toe! 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 Luge! Ah! Luge! Ah! Luge! Ah!
How are you supposed to kill anybody like that?
Toe! Toe!
Because they're running, right?
Cover, toe! Freedom, fire, are you trying to... So what you're seeing is just a small part of the actual battle, So these would represent men fighting in the tops of two of the masts on one ship, trying to pick on the enemy and the other opposing ships. And also bear in mind, the enemy also have their own Marines. They'll be doing the same thing to your own vessel. Quite possibly even aiming at the sharpshooter.